Hey guys, Michael here, co-founder of Studicata. Today we have a question. Is it worth it to write full practice essays during bar prep? Of course, I've talked about this a little bit in some of the other videos. In my opinion, I think it's going to be absolutely worth your time to sit there and write full, complete practice essays under time constraints. And the number one main reason I always recommend this is because every single year there will be large swaths of students who show up on bar exam day, show up to take the essay portion of the bar exam, and simply will not finish. It's every year you have students leaving either an entire essay blank or two essays blank, and almost every time that you do this, it's going to result in failure of the bar exam. Now, of course, it is possible to leave an entire essay blank and still pass, but that's going to be rare. Most of the time, students who are leaving entire essays blank do end up failing the bar exam. And what's unfortunate about this is it's a completely avoidable mistake. It's not like you didn't know the law well enough, you just didn't have the time management skills built. And the only way that you can truly build the time management skills that you need for the essay portion of the bar exam is going to be to painstakingly sit there and write full, complete practice essays under bar exam time conditions. I know it's really annoying. Students just want to write outlines or think about it in their head to kind of get their practice done. And I know it takes a lot of extra time to sit there and actually write out word for word full essays, but it's absolutely going to be worth it for you to build this time management, and there's no way around it. It's the only way that you're going to be able to get that mental clock that you need, especially if you're taking the multi-state essay exam, the MEE, or any state bar where the essays are only 30 minutes, right? That flies by. 30 minutes to read a fact pattern, think about it, and try to handwrite or type your answer is not much time. If you're not used to that, if you haven't practiced that a lot during your preparation for the bar exam, that's gonna be very difficult. You're gonna get left in the dust on exam day. That clock is gonna fly by and you're gonna get behind, and that's how you end up with all of these students who are leaving essays blank, which again, is probably, if not the number one reason I see students fail the bar exam. I mean, definitely way up there, especially when you're talking about things that go wrong on the essay portion of the bar exam. It's not issue spotting, it's not, inability to write, it's simply people not finishing. That is the number one reason I see students have issues on the essay portion of the bar exam. So the only way that you're going to avoid that is by doing the practice questions under time conditions, full, complete essays. So with that, guys, I'll leave you to it. I know you got a lot going on with your preparation. So as always, I wish you all the absolute best in your preparation for the bar exam, and I'll see you at our next video.